Hello, welcome to my channel. The question is, Anil invests some money. The money will become 5 times itself in 20 years at simple interest. After how many more years can he receive the sum 8 times itself? So there are two parts in this question. The first part is a statement that says that Anil's money will become 5 times itself in 20 years, and the second is a question which says that after how many more years can he receive the sum 8 times itself. So there are two ways to solve this question. Let's go to the first way. Okay, in the first way, let's assume that he invests amount which is equal to P. So after 20 years his amount becomes 5P, so his simple interest is 5P minus P equals to 4P. So we have a formula of simple interest which says that interest equals to principal multiplied by time multiplied by rate divided by 100. So according to the first sentence, interest is 4P equals to principal is P times 20 years. R is what we want to find out, over 100. So 4P will bring 100 this left hand side equals to 20 PR. So we'll bring 20P to the left hand side. We can just cancel that out. PP 4 5 is 20, 5 20. So we have R equals to 20%. Now by the second sentence, which is a question which says that his sum will turn to 8 times itself. So 8 times P minus his principal P, so his simple interest will be 7P. So his simple interest is 7P. We are using the formula again. Principal is P, time is what we have to find out, rate we found out 20% over 100. So by solving this we get time equals to 35 years. So now the question says how many more years after 20 years. So we have to subtract from 35 20 years. So our answer is 15 more years. So this can be also done in another one more way. We can take principal equals to 100 rupees. We can assume. So if his principal is 100 rupees, so his simple interest after 5 years will be 400. So we can use the formula again. His simple interest is 400 equals to his principal is 100. Time is 20 years. Rate we do not know. We divide it by 100. Cancelled out 100. So rate equals to 400 divided by 20, comes out to be 20%. And then what we can do is in the second sentence is simple interest comes out to be 700. Again formula, his principal is 100, his time is what we want to find out, his rate which we have found 20% over 100. Cancel it out. So time equals to 700 divided by 20, which will be 35. And then this 35 can be subtracted from 20 to get 15 more years, which is our answer from the first way. Second way uses proportion. So the first part of the question says that if his principal is P, so his interest is 4P, and the second case it says that his interest becomes 7P. Now if 4P is earned as interest in 20 years, so 7P interest will be earned in, so we can take a proportion. So we can take 7P over 4P multiplied by 20. So we just cancel out PP. 4 5 is 20 and 7 5 is 35 years. So the question asks that after how many more years after 20 years will he be able to earn 8 times his sum. So we can just subtract 20 years from 35 years and we get 15 more years, so which is our answer. So these are two ways to solve this problem. I hope that you have understood the question and its solution well. I will be bringing more such videos in the future. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.